Hey everyone. So, as you can see, my peppers and tomatoes have been growing quite well. So, I thought it'd be a great opportunity to put some additional supports so that, they're not leaning so far down. So, these are the GreenStalk plant supports. They come in a pack of 3, I believe, and they're really easy to install. So, I thought I'd show you how to do it. So, you come with 6 of these pieces that come from the tower itself, along with 6 of these pieces that attach along the ring. So this piece is right here, as you can see, and this one goes around and creates this little support ring. So what I found is, especially since the tower has already been set up, the easiest way is to actually go straight in like this. So don't worry about this little bottom hook, and just go straight in and down. So hopefully I can show that with another piece. Let me do a close-up for you. It's pretty easy where I can do this with one hand. So as you can see with this, I just go straight in and then down. And there you go. I recommend putting all 6 of those arms in first. So we should be able to do this really quick. Here's the last one. All right. Now that we have the supports coming from the GreenStalk, you'll see that each one of these support rings has this little knob right there, and that is where it connects to this piece right here. Followed by that, you'll notice that each one of these has 2 sides. One has a hole, and then the other side looks like it's got just this little stick right there. And that's pretty much how these interconnect. So you actually stick it straight into the hole like that, and then clip it down. So you can do a couple pieces at a time. So here you can see, I literally, the moment you get them over, you just click them right in, and it's really, really easy there. From here, I actually like to go and connect first, connect the ring first before attaching it to the support. I find that to be a little easier, because you do have to come in at an angle, and these are easier to just snap in vertically. And there we go. This last one is probably the most tricky because you haven't attached them yet. So you do have to bend it a little bit, but it is bendable. So don't feel like you're going to break anything. And one final check by just connecting and snapping everything together. And it looks like we are good. Now I just have to bend my, I probably should have put my tomato plant in the ring first, huh? Let me see if this helps. There we go. That should help with that one. And hopefully, well, the chili plant may need to grow just a smidge more, but at least we can see that that helps the tomato plant right there. So as you can see, that was pretty easy and painless, and hope that helps as you're assembling yours.